2 miles, 1.9. We're going to Kahako Road. This is Kahako Road. Ang ganda dito guys, also beautiful. This is actually part of Princeville. So Kahako, there's a lot of places here to stay.
Nice city.
I think these are the people on here or something I read. I don't know. But it's beautiful here. It's like a nice, very nice subdivision, and then there's a like golf course around here. Golf course.
Yeah.
This is the Princeville, guys. If you come here, this is what look like the Princeville in Kauai. It's beautiful.
And it's expensive.
Expensive place. If you wanna play a golf, this is where the place is. Play a golf. There's a big golf area somewhere.
Right there, probably.
Not, I think what part of that.
Maybe not there, that's just private.
See, it's beautiful there. So, this is the Princeville. If you wanna come here, this is beautiful. This is our first time here. We're just looking this restaurant called One Kitchen, and they take us here. So this is the golf course. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, beautiful. And the view. Wow.
You know what they did? One guy I saw in a video.
Yeah.
He said, and it was this golf course for him. He said, Princeville is like voted the best one in the whole island.
Oh, really?
Probably most expensive too, but maybe it's that.
Must be very expensive.
Yeah.
So, I think we're getting close. It look like in the middle of here, there's like places to eat. This is beautiful
Oh,
place.
this is an expensive place.
Wow.
Jeez.
I think these are people that play a golf course. Is this where they go? Oh, I thought there's a restaurant there, so it's not yet. So we keep going. Another 0.9 miles. Oh, this is a big golf course. See at the left side. Left side. It's hard for you guys to see. But at the left side, there's a huge, nice golf course. Very rich neighborhood here. I think this is where the rich people live. Wow, from here you can see the scenic view. In the right side you can see the ocean.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes. Look at that golf. That golf course is very, that's like professional.
Wow, it's nice.
That'd be fun.
This is nice view for golf, where you can see the ocean there. Guys, this is a nice place.
They're either multi-million-dollar houses here. Jeez.
I'm sure this is this is where the $1 million house is. Hideways Pizza Pub.
Yeah, pizza.
We're getting closer. I think that building there, that's where we're going. That's where. Wow, this is a nice view. Wow, guys, you must go here. Nice. Gosh, this is so pretty.
That's kind of the deal, right?
That's where we're going. No, it's not yet. It's just, keep going. We're not there. Look, I thought that one, but not yet. So maybe keep going. Wow, even you just drive around here, it's so pretty. Just keep going. This is like a hotel, expensive hotel to stay. Maybe this is like $1,000 a night. Remember those bloggers say they pay like 1,000 per night. Yeah, keep going, yeah.
Stay on Kahaku Road. Then turn right to stay on Kahaku Road.
Kahako Road. Maybe we find a parking here now.
You have to pay to get in there.
Reserve parking. No, I think you go inside here, and then we can find a park. Right here, yeah. You wait that. Ang ganda dito guys, very nice. Yeah, they're waiting there. People to. There's someone. Beach parking only.